everyone, is welcome back to my channel. I'm seeing you all after quite a long time. So basically I received these three products from brand called Neem Ayu, and it's a anti-hair fall kit which has an anti-hair fall shampoo, an anti-hair fall oil, and an anti-hair fall capsules. That is a supplement for your hair. So basically, you always use products from outside like shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, hair oils, but for natural growth, to prevent hair fall and to prevent the problems we have of our hair or skin, we need to take supplements as well. They have sent capsules, oil, along with the shampoo as well. So let's see what this product does and what it contains. So basically you need to take this 1 or 2 capsules twice a day, one in the morning, one at night. You can consult your physician and just see the dosage what you prefer, but I would suggest take one tablet each. That's what I've been doing. And this has Brahmi, Bringraj, a lot of natural products, and it's completely 100% natural. And this brand claims, without any questions asked, you will get your money back. Complete money back guarantee they give without asking any questions if you are not satisfied with the product. So this was the capsule, and this capsule is 795 mg and it retails for 599 rupees. So they have given a shampoo as well in this kit. It is an anti-hair fall shampoo kit. It is paraben, mineral oil and artificial color and flavors free. This shampoo retails for 999. This product is a bit expensive. I won't say it's an affordable brand, but Neem Ayu gives you guarantee of 100% money back without asking any questions. So definitely this product works. And if you spend money, better spend money in good products rather than paying 200, 300 whatsoever for affordable products and just not getting any benefit. Just keep on trying new products. Instead of that, just go and invest in some good product one time, and then you can get benefits out of it, and that product can literally come handy. So this product has Brahmi, Amla, Bringraj, Shikakai, Magista, all these, they have Mehendi as well, Chamadar also. All these natural ingredients, and they made a natural herbal product out of it. And they claim to not use any conditioner after use it. You're gonna wash your hair naturally the way you wash it. It cleans and it clears your scalp thoroughly. So if you have dandruff issues, that also it's gonna cure. I do use conditioner after this because my hair are curly and frizzy. If I don't use conditioner, my hair will be like this. They won't be settled like this. I have not used any product after conditioner. I have just scrunched it like that only. I have not used any cream or gel which I use regularly, just to show you a natural look. So this is how my hair looks like. They are 90% dry after using this shampoo. So I literally like this shampoo, and the fragrance of the shampoo is also very nice. So this was the shampoo, 200 ml bottle, retails for 999. You can definitely use my code and you will get discount for sure. You can get this complete kit for lesser price. If you go for individual product, then it will be a little bit expensive. So this was the shampoo. So this is the oil, anti-hair fall oil, mineral oil and artificial colors nahi hai isme, and it is completely herbal. Again, this product is for 699 rupees and 100 ml bottle. So if you have watched my herbal hair oil, homemade hair oil for hair growth, So I'll just link it out over here so you can watch that video if you haven't watched that already. So I had used methi, neem, hibiscus, all those products in that oil. That was my granny's recipe, and I had modified it after my own research. So it was kind of my recipe, and all those products are there in this oil. So definitely I can give 100% recommendation of this product, because that oil literally gave me tremendous growth and quick growth. मैं मेरे बाल काटती रहती थी and मेरे बाल बढ़ते रहते थे. Now also I have good growth for my hair. My hair have gone crazy frizzy just because I've done pumping, color, what not. So all those chemical treatments made my hair frizzy, but my hair growth haven't stopped. So yes, I definitely recommend this product. To say goodbye to hair problems by using this Neem Ayu Effective Ayurveda Kit, my delight box, export range. I truly recommend this product. If you want to buy this, then please go and check my description box. I do have a discount coupon code as well, so please apply that and get a discount on your purchase. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you must have liked my review, and you must have liked my video as well. And I'm so sorry I'm not consistent, but what can I say? I am not a complete full-time YouTuber. I need to work to put food on my table and take care of my 2 babies. I have 2 cats. I have to look after them as well. So I need to earn money for them, for myself and my family. So because of my job, I can't, literally take out some time to film and edit. So whenever I get time, I film and edit. So yeah, I've been a little busy, so that's why I couldn't post anything. But I'm not gonna make any promises, but I'm gonna try and be consistent. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please give me a big fat thumbs up if you have liked this video, and do share this video as much as you can, because this is an amazing product and everybody should know about it. And let me know in the comment box what you think about this product. If you have tried it, if you haven't tried it, then try and let me know. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, I fumbled so much. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye.